One, pick a clear buyer. Know exactly who is going to be buying your book. Are they impulse shoppers or are they looking to solve a specific problem? If they are, what is that problem? And how can you be clear that your book solves it? Be simple with your design. Don't publish long ass books. If everyone else is publishing shorter books, you're not going to be able to compete on price. Thus, you won't be able to compete on ads. Price for margin. You really shouldn't be publishing books that you price lower than $12.99. $14.99 is like the sweet spot, like the bare minimum. But if you're doing nonfiction, high content, you want to aim between $17.99 and $24.99. That is the sweet spot of where you want to be selling your books. You want $7, $8, $9, $10, $11 profit or royalty paid to you. That is the goal. And don't be afraid if it's taking 6, 7, 8 months and your book hasn't taken off. Sometimes they're just going to be a slow burner. Keep learning, keep improving what you can, and keep publishing more books, because eventually, boom, they'll start compounding and you'll have your biggest months ever. So you can keep publishing and hoping something sticks, or you can do it the right way. And that's exactly why I started the Publish and Profit 3-day challenge, where I will show you for free how to find a topic, write a book, publish a book, and profit from that book all in 3 days. It's completely for free. You also get a bonus support group where I teach stuff and answer questions, so you're never doing this alone when you're brand new. Link is in the description of this video or the pinned comment, so go check that out.